Hello, everyone out there on our social media channels and website. I'm Terri Behling with Haven for Hope. I'm the Director of Communications. Today we're here with Lorris, and we've spoken to Martin, the CEO of Vinnys Bistro, but we wanted to hear from the chef. So what does it take to prepare a meal for 400 to 600 people a day? Like you were talking about how many eggs you go through just for breakfast.
Well, roughly about 1,000 individual eggs, but 90 dozen eggs.
That's crazy.
Oh, yeah.
And that's every day?
Every day.
And do the clients get eggs every day, or do you mix it up?
We definitely mix it up. So we serve about 40 gallons of oatmeal for doing that, or hot cereal. So
that's great. And what are some other fun statistics that people may not realize? I mean, you're depending on some donations, and so do you get a food donation that comes in and you're like, what am I going to do with this? And you have to get real creative?
All the time. We partner actually with Chick-fil-A. So we'll actually take either their nuggets or Chick-fil-A. They do a pretty good job. We want to keep the integrity of their product, right? So we go ahead and make our homemade sweet and sour sauce, put it over a bed of rice or smothered chicken, use their biscuits for sausage and gravy, make a homemade sausage and gravy. So
that's
pretty
great.
Nice.
That's great. Is there a meal that you hear the clients rave about, or do they give you any special requests?
You know what? Barbecue, you can't help it. It's barbecue. That's our thing. So, and I enjoy getting out there as well as the team, because we're out there. It kind of gives you a little bit of a break from being in this kitchen. You're out there under the grill, but definitely the ribs, phenomenal. Barbecue chicken is awesome as well.
Yes, that's good stuff. And Chef, how long have you been a chef with St. Vinnys Bistro?
Oh, wow. Now I think going on about 8 years.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. And I know that you rely on a lot of volunteers, but you also have a staff and a team here. How many are staff members versus volunteers?
Okay, right now, presently, we have 7 full-time staff.
Okay.
And 6 part-time.
And do any of the Haven clients get an opportunity if they want to try it out?
Absolutely. Absolutely. And that's one of our models here, is definitely reinvesting in the people we serve. So being able to hire them is awesome.
That's great. And we love that model here at Haven for Hope. Well, Chef, thank you for your time. I do hear about your famous chocolate cake. I've been bugging you about it. So whenever you make that, I want a piece.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much.